Welcome to ImageKit. In this video, we will look at how asset versioning and commenting can help marketing teams simplify collaboration. When you build an asset, it often goes through several iterations and rounds of feedback. Asset versioning in the media library helps track these iterations and the associated feedback in one place. To create a new file version, upload a file with the same name as the current one. A new version of this file will appear on top of the current version. But remember, for this method to work, you need to enable the default file upload setting in the media library to overwrite files during upload. Alternatively, even with the above setting turned off, you can create a new version by clicking the Upload New File Version icon on the file information page. When you copy a file URL and use it on the web, the current file version gets displayed. Switching between multiple file versions in the media library to see how the iterations have evolved is easy. Select the version you want to view from the list on the file detail page. Doing this does not change the current version of the file. Use the Restore Version option to change the file to the selected version. When you copy the file URL, the restored file version gets displayed on the web. This ensures that everyone accessing this asset via the URL consistently accesses the current iteration you want them to. You'll still have the entire history of versions at all times. An asset can have a maximum of 100 versions. You can delete some of the iterations to keep a streamlined history. And see these comments on the right? Your team can leave new comments as feedback and view other feedback, making collaboration simple and direct. So, skip the hassle of sharing iterations and feedback on emails or chat and use ImageKit for your media operations today.